12-row sugar beet harvester. The Parma 12-row sugar beet harvester is built for efficiency, simplicity, and high performance, making it a standout choice for modern farmers. Its smart grab roll bed design ensures sugar beets move smoothly through the machine. Each side is powered independently, feeding one of the 24 elevators, which keeps the harvesting process steady and reliable. Despite its large capacity, the machine is less than 20 feet long, so it can turn quickly in fields without requiring big headlands, saving time and space during harvest. The harvester also features hinged barriers that guide the sugar beets onto the rollers, while preventing them from rolling backward or falling out. This design keeps the process consistent and reduces waste. Another key improvement is the replacement of smaller double conveyor chains with a single, wider chain. This allows more beets to move into the second set of rollers while eliminating spots that used to get clogged with dirt and debris. Together, these enhancements keep the harvesting head cleaner and improve overall capacity and flow. By combining clever engineering with practical improvements, the Parma 12-row sugar beet harvester makes harvesting faster, smoother, and more productive. It allows farmers to get more done with less effort, reduce downtime, and ensure a consistent, high-quality harvest. Aussie wheel polishing machines. The Aussie wheel polishing machine, also called the Outback 200, is designed to bring serious power and speed to wheel polishing. Equipped with a strong 6.5 horsepower motor, a twin V-belt drive, and running at 210 RPM, it has everything needed to get the job done fast. This machine is built specifically for polishing truck wheels, and the results are impressive. An operator can take a dull, worn wheel and have it shining like new in less than a minute. The polished finish is bright, reflective, and professional, making any truck look sharp on the road. For businesses like truck service centers, auto shops, or detailing companies, this machine can save huge amounts of time and boost productivity. While the price tag of $589 may seem steep, the speed and quality of the results can make it worth the investment, especially in places with lots of customer demand. The Outback 200 isn't just about power, it's about efficiency and convenience. By delivering quick, high-quality results, it allows users to focus on other important tasks while still offering customers that eye-catching shine. AX Ideas Orit BV. Moving heavy building materials like bricks, cinder blocks, foam concrete, and curbstones can be exhausting, but AX Ideas and Orit BV have designed the perfect solution: innovative lifting clamps that make the job faster, easier, and much safer. These clever tools are popular among DIY enthusiasts as well as large construction companies because they save both time and effort. The standard manual version is compact and lightweight, weighing just 2 kilograms, yet it can carry loads of up to 23 kilograms without issue. Its simple design means anyone can use it confidently, whether at home or on the job site. Bogart Aviation Tire Bead Breaker. The Bogart Aviation Tire Bead Breaker is a compact, efficient, and powerful tool that takes the hassle out of changing tires. Priced at $319, it stands out for its simple yet highly effective design, capable of handling everything from ATVs to light aircraft with ease. Unlike bulky equipment that relies on batteries, fuel, or electricity, this bead breaker only needs the power of your hands, making it reliable and easy to use anywhere. Its biggest advantage is the minimal effort required, ensuring you can break a bead without worrying about damaging the tire or rim. Built to work with both tubed and tubeless tires, it offers excellent versatility, making it the go-to choice for mechanics, pilots, and vehicle enthusiasts who value convenience and durability. Despite its small size, this tool packs professional-grade performance, combining portability with strength. Whether you're in a workshop, out in the field, or handling an emergency, the Bogart Aviation Tire Bead Breaker ensures the job gets done safely and efficiently. It's proof that the smartest tools are often the simplest ones. Clear and Collect. The Clear and Collect is a smart and easy-to-use lawn tool designed to make garden cleaning quicker and less tiring. Traditional raking often means constant bending and back strain, but this tool solves that problem with its long handle, allowing you to stand upright and work in comfort. Whether you're cleaning up after mowing the lawn or tackling piles of autumn leaves, it helps you stay relaxed while still being productive. Its wide working width means you can cover more ground in less time, making yard work faster and more efficient. Delvano Eurotrack 6000. The Delvano Eurotrack 6000 is a powerful and efficient self-propelled sprayer from Belgium, designed to make large-scale farming faster and easier. One of its most impressive features is the massive factory-installed boom, which allows operators to cover wide areas in fewer passes. While some sources mention a 55-meter boom, certain versions, like one spotted in the Netherlands, can reach up to 57 meters, boosting productivity and saving time in the field. This sprayer is equipped with a 6,000-liter main tank, a 700-liter stainless steel secondary tank, and a 400-liter water tank, giving farmers the flexibility to carry large quantities of liquid and reduce the need for frequent refills. Powered by a reliable 6.1-liter Tier 4 Deutz engine, the Eurotrack 6000 handles tough conditions with ease while maintaining consistent performance. Its pressurized cabin keeps the operator safe and comfortable, and the adjustable wheel track, ranging from 2.05 to 2.65 meters, ensures adaptability for different crops and field layouts. The machine rides on Midas 580 tires, offering excellent stability and traction even on uneven terrain. Combining huge capacity, a long-reach boom, and advanced operator-friendly features, the Delvano Eurotrack 6000 makes spraying faster, more precise, and more efficient. Fiskars Water Wheel XL. The Fiskars Water Wheel XL is a clever gardening tool that takes the hassle out of watering and makes the job more enjoyable. Created by the Finnish company Fiskars, this automatic hose reel is designed to keep your garden hose neat, tangle-free, and always ready to use. No more tripping over messy hoses or struggling to put them away. This system does it all for you. The kit includes everything you need, such as an adjustable nozzle, a hose connector, and a tap adapter, so you can start using it right away without buying extra parts. One of its standout features is the 360-degree rotation, which gives you complete freedom to move in any direction while watering. It also comes with an automatic reel-in function. Gamsing Drum Set. The Gamsing Drum Set is a brilliant invention for music lovers who want to play drums but don't have the room or budget for a full traditional kit. Instead of needing big and heavy equipment, Gov. The Gov is a futuristic two-seater flying electric vehicle developed by Aleph Aeronautics, a California-based startup that's bringing science fiction closer to reality. What makes it unique is its ability to function both as a road car and as an aircraft, offering seamless travel on the ground and in the air. On roads, the Gove can cover up to 60 miles, 97 kilometers, perfect for short commutes or city driving. But when traffic or terrain becomes a challenge, it can switch to flight mode, reaching an impressive top speed of 160 miles per hour, 257 kilometers per hour, and a range of 177 miles, 285 kilometers. Powered by 8 electric motors and a battery pack that recharges in just 2 hours, it's designed to be efficient, eco-friendly, and practical. Operating the Gove is kept simple, requiring only one pilot, while advanced safety features like redundant flight controls and a parachute system provide extra peace of mind. Expected to launch in 2025 with a starting price of $299,999, the Gove represents a bold step into the future of mobility. High NA EUV, short for High Numerical Aperture Extreme Ultraviolet Lithography, is the latest breakthrough in making semiconductor chips smaller, faster, and more powerful. Developed by ASML, this advanced technology allows manufacturers to create chips with far more precision than ever before. By using higher resolution imaging, more transistors can be packed into a smaller space, boosting performance while using less energy. This technology is a game changer for the next generation of electronics. It's crucial for artificial intelligence, quantum computing, and other cutting-edge technologies that demand high-speed, efficient processors. With high NA EUV, chips can handle complex calculations more quickly, enabling smarter devices and faster computing in everything from smartphones to supercomputers. Beyond speed, this innovation opens the door to entirely new possibilities in electronics design. Smaller, more powerful chips mean devices can do more while staying energy efficient and compact. High NA EUV is setting the stage for a new era of technology, where processors are not just faster, but also more capable, efficient, and adaptable. In short, high NA EUV is revolutionizing the way we make chips, powering smarter, faster, and more advanced electronics that will transform AI, computing, and everyday technology. It marks a huge step forward for the future of innovation. Hover Air Aqua. The Hover Air Aqua is a compact, ultralight drone built to make flying simple and enjoyable for everyone, from beginners to seasoned pilots. Its foldable arms and fully enclosed propellers let you safely launch it from your hand and carry it easily in a pocket or bag, making it perfect for travel and outdoor adventures. Despite its small size, it offers remarkably smooth and stable footage thanks to advanced stabilization technology, turning every shot into a cinematic moment. This drone's AI-powered autofollow feature keeps you perfectly in frame whether you're running, cycling, or exploring, so you never miss an action-packed moment. Equipped with a high-resolution camera, the Hover Air Aqua captures sharp, detailed videos and photos, bringing your adventures to life. Intelligent flight modes and quick setup mean you can be in the air within seconds, without any complicated controls. More than just a drone, the Hover Air Aqua is a smart flying companion designed to help you record life from unique angles. Whether filming scenic landscapes, outdoor activities, or fun everyday moments, it gives you professional quality footage with minimal effort. Its combination of portability, intuitive controls, and AI technology makes it perfect for adventurers, content creators, or anyone wanting to capture the world from above in a fun, effortless way. Hyperis X Shoulder. The Hyperis X Shoulder is a cutting-edge recovery device built to help relieve shoulder pain quickly and effectively using hot and cold contrast therapy. Unlike regular ice packs or heating pads, it offers fully automated electric therapy that switches seamlessly between heat and cold in just seconds, giving your shoulder fast and consistent relief. Its adjustable straps provide a secure and comfortable fit, keeping the device in place without limiting movement. This cordless device runs for up to 1.5 hours on a single charge, making it perfect for use at home, at the gym, or while traveling. TSA approved and easy to operate, the Hyperis X Shoulder is ideal for on-the-go recovery, helping reduce inflammation, improve mobility, and support overall shoulder health. Whether you're dealing with an injury, soreness from workouts, or just want to maintain healthy shoulders, this device provides a convenient, professional-level solution. With its combination of portability, smart contrast therapy, and user-friendly design, the Hyperis X Shoulder makes recovery simple and effective. It's perfect for anyone looking to speed up healing, manage pain, or keep their shoulders strong and flexible. This modern device turns shoulder care into an effortless and efficient part of your daily routine, helping you feel better faster and stay active without hassle. JA-1 Pulse. The JA-1 Pulse is a revolutionary eVTOL aircraft built with one mission: saving lives by cutting response times in emergencies. Designed for rural and hard-to-reach areas, it gives medical professionals the ability to arrive on scene with vital equipment within the critical 8-minute window that often determines survival. What makes the Pulse stand out is its incredible speed and efficiency. Capable of reaching dash speeds of 250 knots, it's considered the fastest sustainable personal transport of its kind. Powered by 8 independent electric motors, each with its own 11 kilowatt-hour battery pack, the aircraft ensures both reliability and safety in flight. It can travel over 200 miles per hour and cover distances of more than 100 miles, making it perfect for rapid deployment across wide areas. Its design focuses not only on speed, but also on functionality, ensuring medical teams can carry what they need to provide immediate care. While Jump Aero has not officially disclosed the price, experts predict it may cost around $250,000. More than just an advanced flying machine, the JA-1 Pulse represents a future where medical help arrives faster than ever. Kinchrome Torque Wrench. The Kinchrome Torque Wrench is built for precision and reliability, making it an essential tool for anyone who works with bolts and threaded connections. Many fasteners require more than just being tightened. They need a specific amount of force to ensure safety and performance. That's where this wrench shines. The K830 model, priced at $7,100, offers a torque range of 40 to 300 Newton meters, giving it plenty of versatility for different jobs. Using it is simple. Just set the required torque on its easy-to-read scale, and once you reach that level, the wrench gives two clear signals. You'll hear a loud click and see a small pin pop out, confirming the job is done with accuracy. These signals make mistakes nearly impossible, even if you're under pressure or working quickly. This ensures that every task is completed with the exact precision needed, and protecting both the parts and the person using the tool. Strong, dependable, and designed for heavy workloads, the King Chrome torque wrench is perfect for mechanics, engineers, and workshops. While the price is high, the long-lasting accuracy and quality make it a smart investment for professionals who can't afford errors. Craig Quick Flip. The Craig Quick Flip is one of those simple but genius tools that can completely change the way you work. Instead of juggling multiple drill bits for every screw, this two-in-one design lets you do it all with a quick flip. First, you use it to drill a precise pilot hole. Then you instantly flip the bit to create a countersink so your screw head sits perfectly flush with the surface. Finally, you drive in the screw, all in one smooth process without changing tools. This makes it especially valuable for furniture makers, woodworkers, and DIY enthusiasts who want clean, professional-looking results without wasting time. The quick flip also allows you to adjust the depth of the pilot hole, giving you extra control for different projects and materials. It's lightweight, compact, and incredibly easy to use, making it a great choice for beginners and pros alike. While the only downside is that Craig doesn't currently offer additional models or sizes, the Quick Flip still covers most everyday tasks perfectly. At just $15, it's a small investment that saves time, reduces hassle, and ensures neat, accurate results. It's the kind of tool you'll find yourself reaching for again and again.